In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a professional website. Hostinger AI step-by-step guide. Hostinger is one of the fastest growing hosting platforms, and its no-code website builder keeps getting better. Today, I'll walk you through building a clean professional site from scratch using its AI tools so you can launch quickly without extra software or coding. First, you'll need a Hostinger subscription. Use the link in the description to get started. Discounts are applied automatically to all plans. I recommend choosing the business plan with the longest billing period. You'll unlock all AI and advanced features and get the best value overall. Make sure the coupon is active. If it isn't, type in Cybernews. Complete your purchase and create an account. For security, log in with your preferred provider and enable two-factor authentication. Go to your account, open security, and scan the QR code with your Authenticator app. Now, let's build. Click Add Website and choose the AI website builder. You'll see other options like WordPress AI and an app generator, but we'll stick with the builder. Enter a short, clear description of your site or choose a suggested option. Keep it concise and make the first few sentences detailed. This helps the AI generate the best starting point. Once your site is generated and you like the look, jump into the drag and drop editor. Click any element to move it and adjust the grid if needed. Start with the hero section, since it's the first thing visitors see. Keep it clean and attention-grabbing. Replace placeholder images with your own and tailor the text to your brand. You can add elements like buttons, text, images, videos, forms, and icons. Select a button to change its label, link it to a page, and adjust its style. Text editing is straightforward and familiar. Need more space? Add new sections with one click, pick from layout templates, and rearrange, duplicate, or delete as needed. Backgrounds can be colors, images, or videos. Note that videos are embedded from external sources. Adding pages is just as simple. Use the AI page generator to create new pages automatically. Many tasks have AI alternatives. You can generate images and rewrite text, so explore the toolset. In HPanel, under All Services, you'll also find additional AI tools that use credits. Open the Styles tab to control fonts, colors, buttons, and animations. Changes apply site-wide for a consistent look, and you can even see how often a color is used across the site. Next, optimize for search. Open SEO settings and use the AI assistant. Describe your site, choose suggested keywords, review the results, and finish the setup. Aim for green checkmarks on all recommendations. In general settings, add a favicon, the small icon in the browser tab. If you created a logo with Hostinger's AI, you should have a favicon too, otherwise a free generator will do. Enable the setting labeled llms.ext to help AI models discover your site, which can future-proof your SEO as search shifts toward AI. You'll also find integrations with popular tools and social platforms, plus options for print-on-demand and shipping labels. A full e-commerce setup is beyond today's scope, but the essentials are there. When you're ready to publish, select Connect Domain. You'll get a temporary domain, but switching to a real domain makes your site visible and credible. Hostinger includes a free domain for the first year. Search for a name, keep it short and memorable, and choose an extension that fits your needs. Some extensions have restrictions, but many great options exist. Info or .net can be excellent choices. Always check the renewal price and register with accurate information. And that's it. Your site is live. Hostinger offers a fantastic price-to-value ratio and powerful AI tools, making it one of the fastest ways to launch a professional website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.